Hello and happy day 93. I'm excited because I've been meaning to tell you this. Whoever might be watching this stupid video right now, that I'm excited because we are today actually we are 1 week away from 100 daily vlogs. Remember how Flare Bright got so excited over that? Not just the year, but the 100 days of daily vlogging. I think I can do it. The key here is to push ourselves. The April Fool's vlog, it failed like 3 times, and I was ready to throw in the towel and give up, but I don't know. But 93, a week away from 100 videos. 100 videos with HD camera and slow computer and crappy Windows Movie Maker and all of that. I'm excited. I'm resurrecting. They said I'm more obsessed than they are. MK Say Hey and Sunshine. Is that her code name? But look. Wave 2 is hard to get. I don't know if it was like discontinued or whatever, but it's based off the cartoons. So look at that, the hammer and the katana, and yeah, I don't know why her hair is red versus orange or whatever. We took those boxes. We took this thing. Yeah, if you could only imagine. I hope it's not hard finding brown Snuggies, cause that is probably gonna be my material of choice. Never too early to start planning. Maybe not SuperCon. I don't know. It'd be cool. It'd be awesome. You wake up, you hate life, you go to sleep, hate sleeping. It's all one big cycle. Sleep versus life. You decide. I don't know which is better. So I'm excited. Yeah. And we'll see you in the next take. Grab some coffee, obsess over Scott Pilgrim some more, and make more cubes for the Nyan Cat. Yeah. I'll get to the vlog in just a second. But first, the rain. I'm finally up to date. It's the most recent one. Bestow my heart. And go. So, I pretty much have vlogged. I hope you enjoyed that. That little dishwasher speed lapse. With the there was a paper craft. There was a I think there was some coloring. I don't remember, but I haven't vlogged anything today. I haven't felt good pretty much all day. I made a Gideon cube craft.
That's really cool, by the way.
I made a Gideon cube craft. Did the dishes and pretty much sat. Did nothing, I guess. Whatever.
These vlogs need to be longer.
I forget how much. Your vlogs don't have so much of you in them. Okay, I forgot what this said. There was whatchamacallit. Here, wait. What should it's ready? Wait. Wait. That's all you get. That's all you get. That's all you get.
Is that Miley?
That's all you get. Smiley. It's Miley. How do I feel about the holidays? When they say the holidays, I'm assuming they mean Christmas. So it's the warmest feeling in your heart, like.
To use Tucker's imagination.
When you turn 22 years old, you can't exactly feel the same excitement you did when you were 8 or whatever. But how do you feel about the holidays? There's this Charlie Brown special, and it's about it turning commercial versus knowing what it's really about.
2 pieces of candy.
What it is about is, you know, Jesus. So
This is a volcano!
how does it make me feel? It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel sad. Makes me feel stressed. Makes me feel probably every feeling there is out there. Easter, we've already talked about Easter. But again, when they talk about holidays... Okay! I'm assuming they mean Christmas, so that's all I have to touch about that. And yeah, today was rather bleh. Yeah, you know, I'm not even gonna say lazy, I'm gonna say lousy, and then I'm gonna finish that word and say it was really lousy. So there's the vlog. Yeah.
Monster kill.
Yeah, I have no idea what was going on with that previous take right there, but you can't tell I'm tired. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what's up today. And it's Police Live last year. All I can think is Alley Trooper saying we have off days, but I don't like when off days happen like 3 days in a row or whatever. Video games, board games, and ooh, yeah, the speed lapses. I don't know when I started loving speed lapses so much.
It's a giraffe!
I hope you like watching them.
No! Oh my god.
I'm not gonna say I'm gonna have a whole bunch of them, but I don't know, the whole dishwasher thing was an idea, so I did it. Okay. Good night.
Okay.
Do I push this button? I'll push Oh, I push this button. What?